Hello everyone, welcome back to Backroad Journals.
Welcome back.
We are out and about exploring a little bit. It is this time of year where it gets a little bit busy on the back roads, so we got to be a little bit more creative.
Yes.
With where to camp.
We've already gone to 4 spots and they're full.
And they're full. So we continue on. We found this little spot here, which is really nice. It's right by the river here. It's a nice and quiet spot. It's flat, so that would work. But I think we're going to check out one more place before we make a decision. So we're going to jump right back into the vehicle. And then I guess we're going to see you where we end up.
We'll see you there.
Bye.
Bye. What's that yellow thing on there?
New firmware available. Tap to update.
Oh.
Okay. So we made it to a spot and we're super happy. We actually spent New Year's Eve here in this very spot. And we came back, I think 2 weeks later, just for a day trip. Just drove out here, enjoyed the day and then headed back home. Michelle made a pizza that day. And we're right by this beautiful waterfall that we're gonna show you later on. I'm actually looking forward to seeing it again in the summer. Well, it is 2 days ago, it was the beginning of summer, so it's probably going to look a little bit different. But I am looking forward to going down to that waterfall, and of course I'm going to take you with me later on. In the meantime, we need to set up the tent, and also I need to get out of my shorts and flip-flops because it's not quite short and flip-flop weather just yet. We had a bit of rain coming in on the way. It's disappeared. We're expecting a little bit more rain today, but tomorrow is supposed to be a really nice day. And as of now, we're planning on staying here for 2 nights, which is something that we haven't done in a while. Stay in the same spot for 2 nights, so. But we'll play it by ear. In the meantime, get yourself a drink and join us. We'll see you later. Good news. I just hammered in the pegs, and I think for the first time I didn't hit myself. Good stuff. Michelle called for a redo.
Just doesn't seem right.
night. We'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone. That was a good night's sleep. It's an incredibly peaceful place, other than the waterfall in the background, which is really soothing, I think, at least. It's been super quiet. The rain stopped in the evening yesterday, fortunately, and then it started overnight a little bit. But it's gone now, and it looks like the skies are finally clearing up, if you can see that behind me. So hopefully it's going to stay that way. We are going to have some coffee, and I think it's time to show you around a little bit. Let's do that. We'll see you later.
I'm trying to figure out what this vibrant, I think it's a fungus? Mushroom? I'm not sure. If anybody knows what this beauty is, please let me know. Sun's trying to poke through. There's enough that we have our solar panels out, and it is drawing, it is charging. This, I don't think you can see the numbers. Yeah, we're having a problem. We have to send this back. It's Blue Eddy, and it's a newer model because our other one gave up. And we've only had it about a month, maybe 2. And the DC output is not working. So that's where we plug the fridge into. So that's not working. But the AC output is. Unfortunately, when you plug the AC outlet in, it draws very, very quickly. So we had the fridge plugged in for about 4 or 5 hours yesterday. And this just dropped from 100% to 40. So we have to send this back, which means next weekend or the weekend after, we will not have a generator with us. That's unfortunate. But other than that, it's a good little unit.
got lucky with the weather today. It's so nice to not have any rain and not be cold. It's clear skies tonight. Michelle is removing the fly from the tent because I think we're gonna have lots of stars in the sky tonight to stare at once we go to bed at some point. Clear skies at the moment, and we're gonna enjoy it. We'll see you later.
Okay, so on the menu tonight is going to be an experiment. We've got pork chops, brie, herbs, oil, onions, mushrooms, potatoes from our family garden, and let's see what we can do with this.
So that was a nice change of pace.
Yeah,
Staying in one spot for 2 nights and only have rain for 1 day.
Yay! Summer's coming!
Summer's coming along, so that was awesome. The morning kind of got away from us. We were planning on making a breakfast and everything, but then we just,
That's usually what happens.
usually what happens. We just enjoyed it. So instead, we're going to have breakfast for dinner tonight.
Yeah, we're going to do that. And we made sandwiches for the road.
Yeah, we did that. Anyways, that's it for this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and tune back in next week. We don't know where we're going to be, but it's going to be a good thing.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
See you next week. Bye.
Bye.
That's it.